And how do you perform? Like, you'd like to sing Jello, Shield, and Karen. Alright, so first we'd like to announce kung ano yung mapapanalunan, no? For consolation prize, the fifth placer will get 750 pesos. Mahal kayo yung tip ko, Terry, ha? Mahal kayo yung tip ko. The fourth placer will also get 750 pesos. The third placer will get 1,500 pesos plus 500 gift check. The second placer will get 2,000 pesos plus 500 gift check. And the first place will get 2,500 pesos plus 500 gift check. Alright, so, ready na kayo? Actually, hindi nanalo eh, no? Okay. Kamag na lang ito naman sila.
Last week na yata talaga kasi baka di na kayo maimbitahan next year kahit kukulang sa dulo baka di na kayo maimbitahan. Anyway, thank you na hindi kayo napikon. We just want to make things light, no? And beautiful.
Video po, video.
Video ba yan? Okay, sorry. We're marketing people so we're addicted to pictures. Anyway, this group is very lucky to have good bosses and us judges. Kidding. Ayun, Merry Christmas to everyone. Sana nag-enjoy kayo lahat. Dahil parang show ko to. Nakapatawad, Mr.